Hello, today I'm going to present my midterm project from Advanced Probability course. I'm Melika Hajapono and my topic is student stress level. So let's start. Firstly, I will talk about the aim of my research and then I will start about all other details. So first of all, the aim of this research is to find the correlation between depression and self-esteem, find the correlation between teacher-student relationship and academic performance, find the correlation of stress level and sleep quality. Also, does future career concerns affect depression level? So first of all, I took the data from the Kaggle platform. It is the real-world data, and the dataset contains of 1,100 responses of students with 20 columns of questions related to the factors affecting the stress level of students. From 20 columns in total, the information we were interested in were in 7 columns. That's why for the processing we deleted all other 13 columns and we used it for the research 7 remaining columns. There weren't any missing values. We have checked the data so it wouldn't make some problems and wouldn't mislead our results to some wrong direction. So the second step, now we have used the Google Collaboration Python platform, Python program to analyze our data. First of all, it is the visualization and descriptive statistics of the data we had. First, it is the column of stress level. As I said before, it is the answer from 1,100 students, and here you can see this is the histogram of the data, and in the right side it is the descriptive statistics. So the mean of stress level here, it is given as 0.99, median is 1, mode is 0, standard deviation is 0.82, quartiles, here you can see minimum and maximum of the data is 0 and 2. So let's go to the next data. It is depression. So here you can see in the left side it is the box plot of the depression data set, and in the right side it is the descriptive statistics. Here mean is 12.55, median 12, mode is 10, standard deviation is 7.72, quartiles and minimum maximum is 0 and 27. Let's go on. So here's the self-esteem. Self-esteem is again here it is the box plot, the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, quartiles and minimum maximum is 0 and 30. All of this data, all of these box plots were made with Python program using Google Collaboration. So the fourth one, we came to fourth chapter. It is about correlation analysis. From the introduction we have seen that the aim of this research, of this study, was to find some relationships of which affect the life of students. Like the first one is depression and future career concern. We wanted to know if future career concerns and depression are correlated to each other. For example, if one falls, another also falls. If one is up, another is also up. So here is the plot of this data and the correlation coefficient. It is 0.70. It shows a strong correlation between variables. So when we have in our data, when the correlation coefficient is between 60 and 80, it means it is strong correlation. What does mean strong correlation? It means if one is, for example, if a person is depressed, the future career concerns will go down. If future career concerns is like you have a lot of, like, how to say, if you are really concerned about the future career, then depression level also goes up. Yes. The second one is correlation between academic performance and teacher-student relationship. So correlation coefficient is 0.66. Here is the plot, the line of our plot. It also tells about strong correlationship. It says that if the teacher-student relationship is good, academic performance will also be good. So another one is performing correlation of stress level with sleep quality. With sleep quality, we wanted to know if sleep quality affects the stress level, or if stress level affects sleep quality. The answer is yes, it affects according to our data, according to our analysis. So correlation coefficient is 0.74. It means it is a strong relationship. So like this. The last is depression and self-esteem. Again, we can see the visualization, and the correlation coefficient is minus 0.69, and it is also strong correlation. It means depression does affect self-esteem, or self-esteem does affect depression. The last part of our analysis is linear regression. It is kind of similar to the correlation, but it's slightly different. We can use linear regression formula equation for predicting some data we want. For example, from the data we have, we will take it, we will make from it the equation of linear regression, and then we'll have the equation from which we can make some kind of prediction. For example, here for the stress level equals to 2 minus 0.39 times sleep quality. So what does it say? It says we can put any variable in sleep quality and we can predict the stress level. So here we have taken the example, sleep quality is equal to 5, very good, and we will put here the stress level when sleep quality is 5 will be 0.05, which it says that it is almost equal to 0. When your sleep quality is good, your sleep level will decrease. Also here is the second linear regression for depression and future career concerns. So the equation is equal to depression equals 3 plus 3.5 times future career concerns. So let's say concern is 2, depression will be equal to 8. So the higher the concern, the higher the depression will be. That's why this was the two datas. We did correlation for 4 datas, and we did the linear regression for 2 set of datas. We just wanted to find out which one affects which one, how can we predict, how can we use all of these Python codes for our researchers, and so on. So the conclusion, from the first result, we have obtained the correlations. We have understood that depression really affects future career concerns and also self-esteem. They are very related to each other. For example, if depression is high, your self-esteem is going to be low, your future career concerns will be low as well. So how can we by this second is the teacher-student relationship and academic performance. It's very important too. Another one is sleeping quality and stress level. All of this result can be given to students, schools and parents, so they can it will be beneficial for them. For example, they can help their children with future career concerns, help them to find some tutors, everything, and their depression level will be low. Or, for example, teacher-student relation can be improved, academic performance will be good. or sleeping quality, parents can control it and the stress level will be low again. So this is the end of my presentation. The more detailed codes you can find in Python and in my report. Thank you.